Hey y'all, so today's tutorial is a braid and curl on blow dried stretched hair. So if you want to see how I got my hair like this, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off on blow dried hair. I blow dried my hair on medium heat just to give my braid and curls some length and also because I was going for a more fluffy look. I actually did a poll on my Instagram stories asking you guys which type of video I should do next, and y'all chose a hair tutorial, so make sure you follow me on Instagram at DeAndreLaVon to participate in the next one. So the first product I'm using is my Uncle Funky's Daughter's Supercurl Miracle Moisture Cream, which you can use my discount code for. Next is the Wetline Xtreme Gel, which is one of my favorite gels, especially for my braid outs. And of course, you'll need some perm rods for your ends. I'm not sure what size these are, but they're the white ones. So I'm just sectioning my hair so that I can start in the back first. I wanted a really fluffy braid out, so I'm doing medium sections for each braid, but if you want a tighter, more defined braid out, then you should do smaller braids than me. So I'm just adding a little bit of product to my hair since it is blown out, and you don't want to add too much product because your hair will start to revert. And then of course you start to braid. Once I got to my ends, I stopped braiding and added a little bit more gel and cream just to make sure they would be nice and sleek on the perm rod. And then I just wrapped my hair around the rod and rolled my hair upwards. You can choose how far up you want to roll, but I mainly focus on just my ends. And that's it. So now I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys watch the rest of the video. So I ended up with a total of 8 braids, but like I said, you can do more if you want a tighter look. I slept with these in overnight and now I'm just carefully removing the perm rods and unbraiding. So you can leave your hair like this, but I usually go in and separate a little bit and fluff. This does cause some frizz, but it's worth it to me because I love volume. And these are the final results. This is literally one of my favorite styles, and it was super easy to do. I really haven't done a braid and curl since my transitioning days, but I really wanted to see what it would look like being fully natural, and I absolutely love it. Don't forget to like this video and also comment down below with any video ideas that you would like to see from me. I'm open to all suggestions. And if you enjoy my channel, then please subscribe and join the family. Thanks as always for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.